calm, and healthy. In a world full of noise and stress, yoga teaches the art of yes, and is a doctor who is a surgeon known for his dedication, simplicity.
3, 2, 1, breathe in. Once more, breathe in.
My name is Anisha. I'm studying in third year CBSE. Today's new word orator. It spells as O-R. And I am from 4th class. Today I want to talk about Environment Day. We celebrate Environment Day on June 5th.
ಥಮ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಥರ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಚೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲಿಡಿ, ಚೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲಿಡಿ, ಕಾಣುತ್ತಾ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಥರ? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಗರುಡ ಮುದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಗರುಡ ಮುದ್ರೆ, ಗರುಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗಲ್. ಸೊ ಈಗಲ್ ಪೋಸ್, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಈಗಲ್ ಪೋಸ್